What's up, everyone? We're at the garage today, like usual. Chase sold his car. He sold his car because what? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude, look at that! Look at that! Look at it! Yummy. But yeah, Chase sold his car because he was tired of working on it. He said it was just causing him too many problems, even though he was almost done with it. Yeah, he's just like, fuck it, I'm done.
We call him Quitter Chase.
Yep, quitter, 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 chicken dinner. So yeah, I'm selling my car too. I'm just kidding. We're not selling our cars.
But
Chase actually did though. So. But yeah, so I got some sweet floorboards because mine has holes in it, and yeah, it kind of sucks. So I'm just gonna
Trevor's like waiting so he can open his door.
cover those up with these door, or not the door stuff. Floorboards. But yeah, these are them. They're pretty nice. They're from Macaw, or I think that's what they're called, Macaw Motorsports. So if you guys need E30 parts, E30 parts or E36 parts, they have mainly E36 parts, like diffusers, cool stuff like that, interior deletes. Yeah, they got really cool stuff in there. They have a couple E30 things in like these floorboards, which is really cool because it's an easy solution to make your car look decent. So yeah, check them out. I'll put the link in the description.
Alright, so we got Xavier taking the dash out of his car.
I'm not taking my dash out.
You're not?
Not right now. Fuck that.
Why not?
Because that's a lot of work.
Fucking pussy. He's gonna take it out.
Dude, should I do center drive?
Because he wants to get rid of all these wires so he can like paint the inside of his car and shit.
Dude, should I just center drive my car?
Just fucking end your life.
Dude, that would be so weird. Oh my god. That would be weird. I don't know how I feel about that.
You should just shut your mouth.
No, I'm gonna drill those holes though.
Oh.
On the floorboards and then
Do your door cards?
yes.
That would
And
be
then probably do something about my fuel cell.
Which you haven't even talked to them about. Xavier picked up a fuel cell from one of his buddies. Fucking shit. Right here. So that's pretty dank. Only shitty part is he just got a subframe back in. Now he's got to take it back out so he can drop his other fuel tank. And then we got to figure out how to fucking hook these lines up here. Should be good fun. Should be good fun.
Oh, I broke my radio.
You broke your radio? Nice. So we're gonna get to that. Well, not that, but that. You legit break it?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Did you just try yanking it out?
Well, I was pressing this button and I went, and the whole fucking thing just came out.
Isn't that supposed to come apart?
No.
You sure?
No.
Let me see that.
Just this faceplate's supposed to come on.
Nice.
So Xavier's got a new radio for his car then.
Alright, explain to them what we're doing.
Alright, so since this is flush and I don't have power windows, which would be usually in the dash or in the center console, there's no need for a hole right here. Well, I have crank windows, and so here's where the window crank is, right? Yeah. So we're gonna put peanut butter on the end of this and knock it up,
So you can lick it off.
and then the peanut butter's gonna stick to this. We're gonna drill a hole, and bing bam boom. That's a lot. Yeah.
idea.
There we go.
Just like that.
Alright, so we got our peanut butter, we got our drill. We're gonna drill this hole. Woo! Alright. Beautiful.
Good as new.
Yep, beautiful. Look good. Oh. Yep, just clean up all those little brush hairs.
Little burrs. We have a file. That's what it's for. Here. Jesus Christ!
So yeah, be sure to file all that excess gunk off.
It's called the burr.
It's called the burrs. Looks good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, now we're gonna go put it on.
We got Trevor here with a nice little oil leak.
Little.
Oh my god, is that dirt?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
You better clean that shit up. Is it big enough? What? Oh, it's not big enough.
It's big enough. It's just this doesn't go deep enough, you know what I mean?
No.
So we made a small mistake. Is this hole isn't big enough to fit the handle.
Which is,
Right
it's
there.
actually supposed to go inside of that. 'Cause
Yeah.
This goes over that little crank. So we gotta drill it to be that size.
Which is a
I don't know what the fuck it is. It's on, like, it's in there.
it's a 23, 20 or 30 seconds. So yeah. 23, 30 seconds drill bit. And then so we're gonna drill that now and then try to put the door card in. It's not plugged in.
Oh, it's that tape shit.
Oh, the inside shit.
I think.
It's that shit on the inside. This don't go as hard.
Or go harder. Just cram it in there.
Yeah. Is it
I really
on?
wish I knew how this thing just actually goes on there.
Because I feel like it's just gonna go bloop.
I know. Well, it fucking works, I guess. I don't want my hand so close. Just like that. Alright, so we had to cut up and drill the last few couple holes. So this is what his door card's gonna look like. Got the hole for the window crank, and then it's for his door handle, and then this is so you can shut the door. And we just had to drill a couple holes and cut out like a little circle for that tongue to come out of.
Look at this
And
one.
that's what they look like.
Beautiful.
Pretty nice, pretty nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Turned out a lot better. Xavier just wanted to like have these fucking bolted up right there, and it just looked like trash, so. But But he didn't want to end up cutting out the lip, so I had to do that for him.
Yeah, it was a little scary.
'Cause I'm just a nice guy.
Yep.
What can I say?
Okay.
So now we're gonna get him taped up to the doors and start drilling some fucking holes.
There's only about 40. So
I know, dude. There's so many, so fucking many.
I didn't even do all of them on the inside.
Really?
Back ones, yeah.
Just did like a couple. We'll do like the corners so we can like hold it in place, and
I
then
did all the corners and then just random ones.
yeah.
Also, and then the drill bit broke, so drill bit breaking, not so good.
Yeah, I'm just gonna fucking go buy a new one so that way it's not dull. Alright, so we got the door cards all lined up and so what we did is we just held them down by his little window thingy.
Window crank?
Yeah, that. And then now he's just doing all the corners so that it'll hold itself together.
All the way through the door.
Dank.
Just sticks out the side.
Shit weapons.
And then you just rivet the bitch on there.
Kobe. Wants to go in. Yeah!
Get it?
No. Come on, I got this. And blue. One. A 3. Ah, yeah. And then just wipe off all the excess.
And boom, you got door cards on.
Just one. That's all I need.
All you need.
No, 2.
Alright, so we got Xavier's door cards all done. Well, for the most part, we still gotta bolt some of the, or rivet some of the back ones. But, shit's looking pretty.
Pretty snazzy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory when you get to it. I mean, you just drill the hole. Bloopity bloop. Oh yeah, we had to extend one of these bolts.
Well, both of them.
Or screw. Yeah, we had to just extend the screws because the stock screws that come with this little crank thingy. Yeah, they were just too short. They were like, and so we got one that's like. And yeah, then we got our little tabs. That's nice and secure. Works just like a charm. Alrighty. So, you better like, you better comment, because we like commenting. Yeah, we like people commenting on our stuff. So, please subscribe to us. Yeah, we're really working hard at this. So, share the love. Give us some love. Let everybody know the good boys of the gang E-ist people alive. All right, deuces.
It was time.